Okay, so this is mum dog number 2. There's mum dog number. Let's just go and see these puppies first, actually. And mum dog always follows me. Oh, he didn't look too well. Maybe it's because he's had a baby. It walks funny. Okay. Well, a baby, like 10 babies. We have to count how many babies in a minute. How many? So these are the ones I just fed. This one's I think he's going to get some more food somehow. It's like unlimited supply. It's pretty crazy. And now he's going to get. I have to do this because otherwise he'll try to bite my feet or something weird like that. Okay. Too excited. This is the most excited dog. Okay. Please. Okay. Please. Leave me alone. A little bit. Just want to record you for YouTube. Don't you understand YouTube? Okay. Okay. Alright. And there's these ones. And there's... It's a shame I didn't record them. It's quite funny. I give them the food and then they all walk off trying to... One of them walks off with the food. Adamant they don't want to share it. No, all the other animals are following it. Okay. I know you want more food, but I don't have more food. Okay, let's go that way. I want to see the babies. Your babies. Oh, I hope they're not dead. They've got quite a bit bigger. They have to take... Can't really see inside. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hello. Do you mind me looking at your babies? Will she mind? Quite big. Haram? Okay. He's saying leave the baby alone. Haram, which means doesn't like it. Mum doesn't mind, he knows. She normally oh, I thought you said her. Oh, I was holding it the wrong way. Ah, that. Oh, it's trying to, by the way, it's trying to eat a fly.
Yeah.
Yeah, it means disgusting.
Yeah.
Hope the cat is not trying to eat the dog. Don't eat the puppy. It's not food. Look, he wants to eat Ekel. Ekel, not Ekel. Don't give it for food. Sorry, no, I'm giving the wrong message. Oh, let's see. Ah, it's not complaining when it's in Ahmed's hands. Ahmed is very good with animals. He's got very experience. Maybe a bit rough, but kind of they really live with the animals. I've seen like the way he picks up cats by one arm. That's something not good, but like his sisters tell him off. But like some of the things he could do with the animals, I can't do. Ta-da! You kissed it even. See, I don't know what you're saying. Eventually I'll learn. Wow, well, then we'll stroke a little bit more. Wow, very silky. Haram? Okay, like this. Oh, I'm holding it better now. See, I'm learning from Ahmed. And it's relaxed now. Before he didn't like the way I was holding it. Eyes still totally closed. Okay, bus. Yellow. Alright, that's the end of that video. Whoops, plastic bag with the food. There was food, but you didn't see them eat it. It was basically, we get for 50p all the guts and stuff and the head and everything of the animals. And I really have lots of things to do, so... Oh look, he's coming for more. Puppy is coming for more. You're coming for more, isn't it? You don't understand? There is no more. Okay, let's see what they do to each other. Hopefully nothing bad. Not interested, only interested in food. Okay. Like this? Kabir? Ah, he's saying hold it from underneath. Like this? Naam? Like this? Okay, I'm going. Got a better thing to do. Or other things to do. Well, how long will you follow me for? Oh, he's growling at me. What does that mean? You think you're a guard dog now? Where is he? Okay, Assalamu alaikum.